here we go. Outdoor shower build part 1. Having fun yet, honey?
All kinds of them. Alright, welcome back, y'all. So today we're going to be doing a outside shower. The reason why we're doing an outside shower is because when I get ready to redo our master bathroom in our house, got to have a place to take a shower. So it's going to give us a couple of days showering. Plus, and when people are here, we go down to the lake, they get in the water. It's a good place for them to rinse off before they get into the actual shower.
Or they go in the house.
Or they go in the house. So this is the layout right here. We're going to start part 1 of it. I probably am not going to get that far along in the day due to the sun and me having a day off, and this is what I do on my days off. So we're going to lay out the structure of it today. Hopefully we'll get it all done. So stick around, here we go.
You need to explain to your camera friends that what you're doing.
I will in a second. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I'm using these 2x4s to help me get it square on these concrete pillars. Okay. That's where I'm going to put my 4x4s standing up, and then that will create my gap in between the ground and our outside shower. The flooring will be I'm going to use a black landscape plastic and then cover it with rock, and then on top of that I'm going to take some treated 2x4s and take some deck boards and run it along here, so you got something, we'll have something soft to walk on, and we don't have to worry about grass and mud coming up between it. It'll also help the water drain off to the back side of the shower house, watering the grass. Kind of 2 birds, 1 stone. So what I've done is I laid these out, eyeballed them, and I've taken my speed square from my corners. Speed square. This is a speed square, and I lay it down in the corner. That way I get a board flush here and a board flush here. I know my corner is going to be on. So doing so, I may have to adjust some, which, like this one, I need to adjust this way. Take a measurement. We want to be 63 inches here. 63. And 63. So on these two, I'm 63 inches apart. These two right here, I'm 63 inches apart. And then I just got to set these two pillars over here in line with the rest of them to make sure they're 63 inches apart.
The big one or the little one?
Both of them.
You can't hold both and the pole at one time.
Watch. One, you set it here. Take the other, you set it there. Look at that. I'm holding both at one time.
Cool. Which, oh, I'm supposed to listen to that top one?
Look. Come around here. Okay, well, we got our 4x4 post up. I know it doesn't look much like much, but they're plumbish. There might be a couple that might be needs a little tweak, but as I go, I can tweak them. I will be starting on this wall, putting up the boards till I get to this height. And then I'll work on this side, going up till I get to this height so that I reach these braces.
Okay, so pretend you're standing in the shower washing your hair. That's how much room you're going to have. Okay, TMI. I'm just showing that that's how much.
Plenty of room.
You could, three of us could stand side by side and take a shower in the shower.
Well, right here, we'll have a curtain. That way, your dry stuff doesn't get wet, and you have a place to sit and all that fun stuff.
Give a different angle here.
But these will eventually come off, and so will these lower braces. These braces are just kind of give it a little bit more stability, so it doesn't go nowhere in any kind of wind until I get the opportunity to start. First thing I'll be doing though is putting the walls up. Once I get the walls up, then we'll worry about the floor. Alright, so this completes phase 1 of the outdoor shower build. Next week we're going to do phase 2. That's where I put the siding on. If you haven't, hit the like button and please subscribe. See you next time.
All right. You're squinting.